Hey guys, welcome to a new video here on NailPossible. In this tutorial, we're going to make this flowery design with both double stamping and reverse stamping. Let's apply our base coat. Next, I'm going to use this really light, almost white pink nail polish as a base. We add a second coat to even it out. And we clean up the cuticles. I'm going to use the top part of this stamper and a gold polish to stamp the first image that's going to be our background. Now that we have that, I'm going to use this flower on this candy 08 plate with a pink polish like this one. We remove anything we don't want from the stamper. And we're gonna use a lighter pink to fill in the flower with a dotting tool. Once we're done filling it in, we stamp it on the nail. I'm going to place them randomly on each nail, and if you want, you can stamp more than one flower on some nails like I did here. We clean up again, and I don't know if you noticed, I noticed while I was cleaning up here, but I had some unwanted stamping on this nail and I couldn't fix it. So let's go back and see what happened. I don't know why, but I didn't clean up the residue here, and because this is an extra large stamper, I transferred some of the unwanted stuff onto the other nail. So I was going to redo that nail, and then I decided to top coat everything off camera to avoid any more accidents. This is me working off camera. And I smeared this nail. So I had to redo two nails. I tried placing the flowers on the same spots I had before, and it wasn't exactly the same, but close. Let's finish the cleanup. And now we're ready for top coat. And this is our flowery design with double stamping and reverse stamping. I hope you enjoyed this design. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!